Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Bobrisky cooks for Mompha as they take their relationship to the next level. Popular cross-dresser Bobrisky is not taking his relationship with Mompha lightly as he takes his time to cook for him. Recall that Bobrisky has been professing his love to Mompha in the past few days via some series of posts on social media. Their love now seems to be getting more hotter by the day as Mompha pays Bobrisky a visit at his house. The Instagram drama queen took to her page on the social media platform to show the delicacies he prepared for Mompha. Sharing the video, Bobrisky wrote, "Boo came around, so I had to cook for him at Mompha. Enjoy." Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.